Have you been searching for that perfect crochet bag pattern? Well, look no more, because I've curated a list of 15 free crochet bag patterns to share with you today. Let's take a look. All of the patterns that I'm sharing with you today can be found on Ravelry.com. If you take a look in the description box down below, I will have all of these patterns linked for you there. Now, this first pattern is called the Boho Boss Bag, designed by Crochet 365 Knit 2 on Ravelry. And it says that it's a $6 Ravelry download, but if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that it's also available for free. There's this little symbol right here. So you scroll down and you click the link right here, and here you will find the pattern for this beautiful bag. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, this pattern is using 4 1/4 inch squares that are sewn together, and they're also using Aran weight yarn and a 4mm hook. You need 480 to 550 yards to make this beautiful purse. So cute. And then here's an up close. Love that. Then next we have the Summer Slice Drawstring Bag by Kathy Oliveras, and this is using DK weight, a 4.5 and a 6.5mm hook. You need around 300 to 310 yards. Here is the picture of this beautiful bag. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I mean, wow. That is just a stunning pattern. I love the yarn that she chose. It looks very summery, Summer Slice Drawstring Bag. And you can see that it's also available for free. So you scroll down to the very bottom here and you click the link, and that will take you straight to her website, where she has her pattern for this beautiful bag. Next, we have the Beach Waves Market Bag, and this is by Brienne Malden. And this is using worsted weight and a 5mm hook. I thought this was stunning. I have 15 bags in total, so make sure you stick around. And this is also available for free if you click the link right here. And there you go. And this is called Zippy Bag by Lucy of Attic 24. I thought these were really pretty. This is using DK weight, a 4 and a 4.5mm hook, and you'll need 77 yards. Super cute. And as you can see, they're just crocheting over a canvas bag. How easy is that? And if you scroll down to the bottom and click the link, you will go straight to the free pattern for these cute little zippy bags. Then we have the Daisy May Bag by Crochet 365 Knit 2. And this is using Lion Brand Vanna's Choice Aran weight yarn and a 5mm hook. You need 1780 to 1870 yards. And here's a closer look at this beautiful bag. That's just gorgeous. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you can get to her website and also get your free pattern. Now, this is called the Japanese Knot Bag by Tiffany Lee. And this is using sport weight and a 5mm hook. You'll need 380 to 450 yards. That's perfect for a little project bag. Cute little purse. Love that. And it is available for free if you scroll down to the very bottom and click the link, and you'll get straight to the free pattern for this Japanese knot bag. Now, I thought this was really cute. This is great for a boho kitchen. This is a Handover Bag Saver by Dana Hogan. And this is for all those little plastic bags that you get from the store. Worsted weight yarn and a 5mm hook. You need 130 to 140 yards. Isn't that so cute? And if you look, she put some little wooden beads around the top part by the fringe. Very cute. Or you can also use it for toilet paper. What a cool idea. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, it'll take you straight to her free pattern on her blog. And here is the pattern for the Handover Bag Saver. Next, we have a crossbody purse called the Sassy Sunflower Crossbody Bag by Crochet 365 Knit 2. And this is using Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton Aran weight and a 4mm hook. You need 220 to 230 yards for this project. Super cute. I love the color choices she made. Really pretty. And you can get this for free if you scroll down to the bottom and click the link. It'll take you straight to her free pattern. And then we have the Sophia tote bag. This is using Lion Brand 24/7 cotton, bulky weight, and a 4mm hook. You need under 400 yards for this. Very cute. Really pretty. And you can get this for free if you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the link, and it'll take you straight to the free pattern for the Crochet Summer Tote Bag Sophia. And this is on passionatecrafter.com. Next, we have a Day at the Market bag, and this is by Heather's Craft Corner. This is using worsted weight and a 5.5 millimeter hook. You need 425 to 450 yards. This is really pretty. Very cute. Also would make a nice little project bag as well. You can get this for free if you click the link at the very bottom, and it'll take you straight to the free pattern on heatherscraftcorner.com. No, I thought this was really ingenious. This is the Rue Water Bottle Bag by Susanna Bailly. And this is using Hobie Twister Summer Sport Weight and a 4 millimeter hook. You need 300 to 350 yards. And you put your phone right in that pocket there along with your water bottle. Really handy. Super cute little button right there. And you can get this for free if you scroll down to the very bottom and click the link, and it'll take you straight to the free pattern. Look at this shoulder bag. This is beautiful. This is the Malia shoulder bag by Rebecca Langford. This is using Lion Brand 24/7 cotton worsted and a 3.5 millimeter hook. You need 775 to 825 yards. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. That looks like something manufactured, but it was made by hand. Look at how beautiful that is. And you can get this pattern for free if you scroll down to the bottom and click this link right here, yarnandchai.com. And here's the Malia shoulder bag. Then we have the On the Go bag. This is by Tony Lipsy with Hobie Happy Place solid 2DK weights held together and a 4.5 millimeter hook. This is really cute. I love the shape. Really nice. And you can get this for free if you scroll down to the bottom and click the link. It'll take you straight to her free pattern. It's right here. You just click right here. See where it says see the pattern here? Click that. And you can download the pattern right here. Next, we have the Bag with Cross Stitch by TLH Patterns. And this is using sport weight and a 3 millimeter hook. You need 328 to 355 yards. Ooh, so pretty. That's a gorgeous color of pink. Beautiful stitch. Let's see if we can zoom in. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And you can get this pattern for free if you scroll down and click the link right here. And you will be at the lazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Look at all these beautiful patterns she has. And here is the pink purse. And then we have the Ribble bag. This is by Michelle Max, M-A-K-S. And this is using Aran weight and a 5.5 millimeter hook. And it measures about 12 by 10. This is a nice big like messenger bag style. And then here it is in another color. Oh, she put an initial here, the initial P and a little flower. Super cute. And you can get this for free on Yarnspirations if you click the link down at the bottom. And you can click this right here where it says download free pattern, and you will get the free PDF. I hope you enjoyed these crochet bags. And if you would like some more free patterns, make sure you check out this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.